Good morning. I'm Eihab. I'm the general manager of eijek's Group. Fortunately, I'm here with Dr. Augustin Attila, the director of the R&D in Nivelco company, Budapest. I'm in Budapest at this moment, and actually it's a very nice weather today in Budapest. We are here in the office of Dr. Augustin, and I would like him to introduce himself to the Egyptian and the African clients and customers.
Hello, good morning everybody. I am happy to get the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Attila Augustin. I am currently the head of R&D research and development at Nivelco, and I am responsible for coordinating the work of the development department and of the new product development.
Yes.
So, shall I talk about my background?
Yes.
So my background is electrical engineering, electrical and biomedical engineering. So I have a multidisciplinary study, and my PhD is I did in measurement technology and microsystem technology.
Dr. Augustin, you joined 2018 and eijek's joined to Nivelco formally in 2016.
Yes.
So almost near to each other. Although it's a short time for both of us, there is a distributor who was more than 30 years with Nivelco. But what do you think of eijek's during this period?
Yes, I think eijek's is a very good partner of Nivelco. When I joined in the first year, honestly I did not hear anything about eijek's, but I have to say that in the past two and 3 years I heard more and more, and it is really very good that they are growing so fast and they are so active in distribution, and we are trying to support them as much as possible in all customer questions and to support to go further.
Yes. The first time I saw you was eijek's was selected to be one of the top 10 distributors for Nivelco, yeah. 2019, and this year we are lucky that eijek's was selected to be the most dynamically developing distributor. So it's a great honor to have this success with Nivelco, and we are looking for coming years of success together. Yani.
Yes. So I think you really earned this prize, because we can see that sales is going up drastically, and you are also using and distributing our major product lines and with great successes.
I'm using the opportunity that I'm here with one of the scientists. Actually, I felt the added value he did to Nivelco, so I would like to know more about the future plans for the development and the R&D in Nivelco, and what's in his bag to surprise us with this.
Yes. Okay, it is always important to focus development tasks rightly and to try to meet the customer needs. So our plans for the next 2 years include new features like Bluetooth connection, mobile application for configuration of devices, as well as new interface type like Modbus interface for the devices, and so on. And beside this, we also further develop the software and functionality of the new developed products, adding interface measurement capability to MicroTrack, and also extending the product line of this new 80 GHz radar technology. After this, in parallel to this, we also deal with new developments. We are developing a new data collector and control system, which is lower priced than our current one and has more modern new features. And we also work on renewing older developments. For example, our ultrasonic product line for solids applications was developed 35 years ago. It is a very good product, still very used in market, but it is now ready for a redevelopment and renewal.
Dr. Attila, I would like you to continue about your background so that we have detailed information about your valuable position.
Okay, after my studies I worked at a research institute. It was focused on tribology. So tribology is the science of wear and friction. There I also dealt a lot with sensors and sensor technology, how to measure these things. And later I changed to another research institute aimed for supporting small and medium enterprises in research and development. So we did custom development projects, mainly from zero concept to the first prototype, and handed over the developed technology for manufacturing to the client companies. And after that I came to Nivelco, and here I not only have from zero to prototype development, but here it is also important to finish the development by making products and taking them to series manufacturing for the clients, and support the products also during manufacturing and also at the client.
Attila, would you please tell us about Nivelco company background?
Yes.
We are celebrating the 40 years.
This is the 40 years anniversary of Nivelco, so that means the Nivelco in its form and with its name was established 40 years ago. This is a long time, but actually the owners, it is a family-owned company. The father of the current owner already was working in this field before as an individual entrepreneur, and later on 40 years ago he established a company which started with 5 people and now reached a size of 250 employees. We have here in Budapest the headquarters, so here is the management, here is the manufacturing, and here in Budapest we have also the research and development. But in 8 other countries we have subsidiaries, direct representation. And
Dr. Augustin, would you please tell us about Nivelco portfolio in a short brief?
Yes, Nivelco's main profile is producing level sensing instruments, so level transmitters and level switches. So this is our main profile. We produce instruments for every industrial sector horizontally. This is the reason why we have 8 different measurement technologies for continuous level sensing and level transmitting, and also 8 different technologies for level switches, because each application scenario requires a different technology for sensing. Besides this, we also offer some additional instruments like chemical analytical instruments, like temperature sensors, like pressure sensors, or data collector units and control units. So we extended our portfolio with also this kind of things, or flow measurement units. But the main profile and the majority of the products produced at Nivelco are with level sensing.
During my last visit 2019, before Corona, we've been here to be eijek's selected as one of the top 10 distributors for Nivelco worldwide. Although eijek's was just joined 2016 to Nivelco team and Nivelco distributors. So it was happened that we first meet you, and Mr. Peter, the general manager, introduced you as a new member of Nivelco team to be the head of R&D.
Yeah.
And since then, I noticed myself, but I would like to our clients to know in details that you added value to Nivelco. You made more and more development. Would you please tell us about what you add since that time? Short time, but you add a lot.
Yes. So actually, I started in Nivelco in 2018, but we first met in 2019. And my task was to reorganize the research and development team and to better plan the task and better prioritize the projects so that we can faster progress with developments. Also, I had the opportunity to expand the development team and to increase the headcount to have more resources for projects. And we had 3 major projects in this past 3 years. One is the MicroTrack HT700, which is a guided wave radar from which we developed a new generation of the device, which is a fully Nivelco development. The second major project was the 80 GHz radar, W200. And the second major project was the 80 GHz radar development, the pilot track W200, which was introduced this year. And this was a development really from scratch, done starting in 2019 in 3 years and finished now. And the third major development was to further improve the new ultrasonic series, the SP500. This was also an important task to establish significant improvements to this product line. Besides this, we had many little projects where we also progressed and where we could extend the type selection of other products and extend the feature set of other products, because Nivelco has 45 different products in its product range.
Would you please continue your feeling about eijek's?
So I very happy to have eijek's on board, and I see that they have still a lot of potential to go further, and I think this will be a very fruitful cooperation between Nivelco and eijek's, and I thank you for the opportunity to speak and to give this interview, and I hope that when we meet in 2 years that you again win a prize of being best growing or best distributor of Nivelco.
I myself also would like to thank you very much for this opportunity, and would look forward for more success and cooperation together. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Thank you.